If ants return after using baking soda and powdered sugar, treat that as a sign the colony is larger or the source was missed. First, confirm the species by observing size, color, and behavior so you can choose the right follow-up. For many small sugar-seeking ants, repeating the baking soda and powdered sugar bait every 3 to 4 days can work, but it must be kept dry and placed along active trails in shallow, sheltered containers. Increase household cleanliness by wiping counters with a 1-to-1 vinegar and water solution, storing food in sealed, rigid containers, and sweeping crumbs promptly to remove foraging cues. Locate and seal entry points by following a trail to its origin and using silicone caulk for gaps and foam for larger voids. Remember to check around pipes, door frames, and windowsills. Fix any moisture issues because ants often nest near leaks, dry under sinks, run downspouts away from the foundation, and use a dehumidifier in basements. If repeat natural baits fail, switch to a slow-acting commercial bait labeled for the species you observed and place it where children and pets cannot access it. Keep records of sightings and bait placements so you can adjust techniques and know when to escalate to a professional if activity persists beyond 4 to 6 weeks. The most common mistake is treating only visible ants instead of locating and targeting the nest, which leaves the colony intact. Follow trails back and place baits near the nest or potential nest sites. Another issue is improper bait placement and maintenance, which includes using wet or exposed baits that spoil or placing baits where competing foods are available. Always keep baits dry, sheltered, and near active trails. A third concern is ignoring moisture and structural entry points, which allows reinfestation from outdoor populations. Fix leaks, improve drainage, and seal gaps to remove the environmental attractants that encourage repeated invasions. We run bighomeprojects.com, which connects homeowners with local contractors and hosts a discussion community where people share real-world tips on pest control and follow-up strategies. Our site helps contractors find work and homeowners find neighbors who have tried similar fixes so they can learn what worked in comparable homes.